discovered just now that there's a bird nest behind this plant on my balcony, and I just moved it. That's why it's like that, and I saw it, and now I'm debating on what to do. I feel bad. I don't know. I don't know what to do. What should I do, guys? I can't have this bird around here. Maybe I can. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm confused. So guys, there's another nest a bird made on my balcony. Look at this. That's my pot. You see this? And then there's the nest. আগের নেস্টটা আমি আসলে একটা গাছের উপরে ট্রান্সফার করে দিয়েছিলাম, বাট এইবার আমি কিছুই করব না। ওরা যদি আমার আরেকটা গাছে যদি আবার বাসা বাঁধে তখন আমি আর ট্রান্সফার করব না। আমি I will just let them stay here. So yeah, this is the new bird house that the bird made. It's so cute. I love it. So anyway, my balcony is relatively very new. So নতুন balcony যেহেতু বেশি গাছ এখনো লাগাই নাই, it's in the process. তো যখন লাগাবো তখন সবাই দেখবা, বাট আপাতত দেখো কত সুন্দর, মাশাআল্লাহ অনেক সুন্দর। I'm so happy. আর পাখির বাসা is good luck. So yeah. Arsh, are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah, isn't it awesome? It's our new member, right, Arsh? New member, new family member, right, Arsh?
Yes.
Yes, we're totally psyched about that.
This looks bigger.
Yeah, you don't want to disturb it. Okay, then I'll give you guys update later. So guys, guess what? Here's the update for the bird nest. Yes, she did give birth to an egg. And it's one egg. Isn't it cute? Alhamdulillah, it's so beautiful, mashallah. So yeah, this is the update for the bird nest on my balcony, on this small little tub of plant that I planted. So yeah, that's the update. And Arsh is playing cricket. There's Arsh playing cricket, and yeah. Anyway, I'll give you guys more update once it gets any update. Once it hatches, hopefully I will post again. Okay then. Toodaloo. Say bye. Another egg from the bird. Guess what? Okay. Surprise! Another egg. Yay, I am so psyched. It's so beautiful. I love it. Okay, let me not bother it too much. Okay. There's the bird. The mom and dad was here a while ago, so yeah, let me not bother this area too much and let them be. So egg number 2. Guess what, guys? Here's the update, and let's another egg. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my god, another egg.
eggs haven't hatched yet. Here's the egg. Didn't hatch yet. And I've been very sick lately, so I haven't come out that much, even to my balcony, for 3 days now. So yeah, so the eggs didn't hatch, and the weather is beautiful, but unfortunately that's the parent of the egg. It's one of the parent of the egg. I think that's the mother. Yeah, that's the mom. That's definitely the mom. And the dad's probably on his way. I don't know. Yeah, so the mom usually sits there most of the time and watches over the eggs. But she trusts me, I guess. And in my balcony, I'm the only one who comes out. And occasionally, Arsh comes when I'm with him, usually. But he doesn't come by himself. So the mom is watching over the eggs, and she knows I will not hurt the eggs. And the weather is beautiful. It was raining past 2 days now, and if it rains every day, this whole area will be semi-flooded, which is cool. So yeah, that's the update for the eggs. Oh my god. It finally one hatched. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, let's not bother it. Guys, the update on Bulbul Pakhi is that it's really pouring outside, and I was worried sick that the newborn is getting wet. I don't know. I'm not a bird expert in the out in the wild in nature, so I mean I had many lovebirds before, but they were in a very domesticated situation, and I don't know what to do when there's a bird hatched in the nature, and I don't know how to look after it, or should I, you know. So anyway, it's really pouring, and I'm really terrified that the bird gonna have I don't know, it's too much water on the newborn, I guess. So what I did, I just put a wood on top of that plant, so it would give some barrier, not all, just a little bit, at least not a direct waterfall, at least, you know. So yeah, so yeah, and I'm just hoping for the best. It's pouring outside. It's pouring, it's raining. It's like a cyclone basically. So yeah, guys, all 3 eggs are hatched. sleepy babies. Not your mommy. You can relax. Relax, babies. They're sleeping peacefully. It rained heavily today, so anyway, I gave a little bit of protection on top right here so it wouldn't fall on them directly. And the mother was sitting on them, so they're relatively not wet. Okay, sleep birdies. Hello. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. আজকে ওদের চোখ ফুটছে। So cute. I'm really sad today and happy at the same time. Sad because the birds, they flew away. All three birds, alhamdulillah, flew away. I'm feeling sad because I didn't get to see them. So yeah, so this is the empty nest left behind by the Bulbul Pakhi. Yeah, I'm very sad. Sad day for me. So this is the end of the journey of the beautiful three Bulbul Pakhi that I had the fortunate of seeing the birth to them leaving, you know. Such a beautiful nest. And here's the plant that gave them home. I'm feeling really, really sad right now. Yeah, so, okay.